Yeah, let's move on, guys, because there's an uproar on Twitter regarding Winnie Mashaba. She posted pictures and videos of her pulling up at Moholo'S family in a jet, and people found that very insensitive, especially that we now know that the Moholo family and also his team tried to raise money so that he can get medical attention. They were looking at around 700,000 rand, and no one showed up. Yeah, people are saying that no one came forward for assistance, but now people are just flaunting their wealth after his death. They're accusing her of not reading the room. So yeah, so that's what's happening. We all know that Solumuholo died in hospital last week. He had been hospitalized after the pre-album launch in Botswana, and he fell ill and then was taken to hospital, was admitted, and it was voiced out that, hey, we need funding, we need money, we need help. This guy needs an operation and it will cost us almost this much, so please help us. And no one came forward, and now he's passed on, and now people are coming forth flaunting and showing us how rich they are, which is so unnecessary during this time. So that's what people are saying on the Facebook and also on the Twitter about this issue of Winnie Mashaba pulling up there looking nice in a jet. It doesn't make sense, right? And about his memorial service, it's happening tomorrow, 9 October, at the State Theatre in Pretoria. So if you want to get there on time. So the time there is going to be at 11. Memorial service is happening at 11 at State Theatre tomorrow, 9 October 2024. Yeah, so that's all I heard about Sulimuholo. And now, because he's now passed on, people are now coming up with a lot of stories. We cannot confirm all these stories, especially that now the man is passed on. Yeah, people are saying that Bushiri convinced Solmuholu to ditch the ZCC for his church in Pretoria. And it's all that those kind of talks, those kind of talks happens when someone has passed on. And also, there's now talk about the fact that the ZCC hasn't shown any indication that they knew this guy in terms of him being a member of the church. So that's also coming out. But yeah, it's just things that people are talking about. We cannot confirm any of these things. We can always say it's allegedly, allegedly, allegedly. But hey, it's those kind of talk. When people have passed on, people talk a lot. Yeah? I've seen it with people that I knew that they have passed on, and people start talking after they've passed on, which is quite unfortunate, especially now that the family is dealing with the bereavement and everything. It's not the time for people to come up with these kind of stories. But anyway, that's all I had for you guys. See you again in the next upload.